Hey, it's Nathan from Team Purple Panda, and I'm here test decking wonders.
And I'm Micah from Team Purple Panda, and I'm test decking Inzektors.
Yeah, so let's get into it. So we're gonna have a full match with side decking and all that goodness, and it's gonna be cool because you're gonna see this matchup a lot.
I wanted to start the video by mentioning that these are proxy rabbits, and this is a proxy magician.
Because we can't afford magicians right now. They're like whole 25 cents.
Mm.
I know, it's like a quarter, man.
Just like, where are you going? Like I had the nickel, but I didn't have the dime.
It's too much.
Yeah. So if you guys have like good deals on rabbit, let us know. All right.
Yeah, we need a lot more rabbits.
We need a lot more rabbits.
Like 5 of them.
Because we're hungry.
We're hungry. Rabbits taste so delicious.
I roll cool.
Yeah, I roll.
6. Your face.
Yeah, you good.
So, good.
So. Oh, we should mention that both of these decks are for the new ban list. We're not playing Dash Shoot or anything. Summon Senya?
No.
No?
Yeah, sorry.
Is that?
Yeah, that's good.
Take 1,000.
So right now it's
7, 8.
7, 8.
And face? Yes. MC.
And face MST.
A compulse.
Ooh.
Oh,
Too good.
that compulse is like gets in there though.
Yeah. Bust. Activate effect?
Yeah, is it cool? It's cool.
No, it's not cool.
But is it okay?
Yeah, it's alright.
That's all I wanted to know. So.
You like to activate one?
Yeah, I would.
Alright.
Just try.
Are you saying?
Yeah, it's fine. Search.
Turn player switches first.
Shark. Ooh. Trying to just go off on me next turn, right? I feel it.
I'm gonna do what I can.
He's a cold dude. Cold dude is what I'm hearing.
Minus 16.
Too good. 1. 2. Good.
Draw. Summon target.
No response to summon. Activate new effect.
Activate effect.
I'll chain with Maxi.
You suck.
Your face. Draw card. If you're getting tour bus, tour guide, what's going on? Yeah.
Tour bus. Cards in hand?
3.
You suck.
Don't do it.
I want to do it.
Don't do it.
I don't want to.
You see, you're messing up right now. Face off.
Face. Good.
Draw turn.
Good. Activate Dash Shoot.
Oh my goodness.
It's too good.
It's too
banned.
broken.
Should be banned. I'm glad it's banned.
Activate.
Let's check.
Sure.
Sure.
Maybe.
Yeah.
So you're just gonna hurt my feelings like that, huh?
Yeah,
You
you get your hopes up.
You're gonna stop both my pushes. Like little baby pushes.
I'm trying.
That's not baby pushes. They're pretty big.
Yeah, those are
Pretty vicious.
You've never seen me.
You maxed me, so I think it's fair. Yeah.
These are two different worlds going on. Now.
Yeah.
Seed.
Yeah, you would. I'll keep my fingers chain.
It stays there.
Yeah. Ah. Yeah, you good.
I know I'm good. Watch out. I did.
Yeah, you good.
Put the monster ball.
Yeah. Wow, you are getting in there.
Try to activate.
Yeah, you good.
Horn activate. I'll target your dude. Your chick dude. Switch to something. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Look out.
It's the ones on the field that get pumped.
Okay. Hand above this. Okay.
That's bro.
Yeah, I do say. Mine is. How strong are you? 21?
Yeah.
Yeah.
11.
Attack for toss.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Slow yourself.
Do you want to see? You want to sound like my maxi?
Got to do.
It's right there. I could do it again if you want to push again.
Wait, wait.
There's a finish chain right there, dude. Huh. Get a course.
Why? Why would you?
Purpley. Thorny, poorly. Let's go.
Why would you keep that hornet? Why?
Cause I seen you coming, dude. He's trying to get me. I was like, look at this guy. He's trying to make me pop that thing. You'll be like, aha. Send the hornet back. You're not smart.
Gotcha.
But no, I got you.
Yeah, sure.
Attack for 1,000.
Yeah.
Attack for 21.
Ooh, you got 3 hands. Alright.
Main figure used to.
Yeah.
Activate figure. Sure. That's it.
Sure.
And this cat foresee that play with the.
You saw the Veiler
It's-
and the chain.
No, he saw the
The bus
the
play.
buzz play. Blood's like a ghetto crow, dude.
Good, you good.
Okay, good.
It's not looking good for me.
Go.
Draw.
So,
Sure.
activate.
Yeah, it's fine.
Activate.
Up or down?
Down.
Sure.
Get up or get down.
Are you up
Get
or
up.
are you down? Another one. Ugly guy.
Oh.
Dim shots.
Which is kind of like, well, I'm not gonna front. Like sharks are like my favorite animal, but I hate them right now.
Oh.
Oh,
Jump shot.
that's how much you hate him.
That's how much I hate them. They're looking at me and they're just like, you know what? I just want to swim away. I'm like, "Alright, cool,
How do you
cool."
jack up sleeves that fast?
But that's what happens to these sleeves. These sleeves are
He
disgusting.
has man hands.
Yeah. I manhandle my cards.
Responsibility.
You're a punk.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Let me tell you the funny part is I drew Maxi with Maxi. I was like, Maxi, draw one, and you were like, yeah. And I was like, oh, it's another Maxi.
Wow. You were just getting there.
I was getting in there, dude.
Alright. I'm at 22. I really don't got a choice. I either lose or I go off.
Cool.
Then lose.
And then lose anyways. At least this way I tried.
Draw card.
Yes, you joke. Activate.
Boom. The way my deck is set up makes me feel like I'm Yugi. I'm trying to like heart of the cards it. Yeah, that's cool with me, dude. Whoa.
Activate, huh?
Whoa. That's fine. I'll shuffle in my hand. Go ahead.
Sorry. Take down Thunder King.
Ooh, just getting angry and stuff.
Activate boss.
Yep.
This guy get a +3 and -1.
It's too good.
Take him out.
Yeah. Let's go for that.
That you're trying to like minus all the key cards right now.
Showing off.
I just wanted to know what my hand is.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Look at it.
See how I can see how good it is if you didn't have double max C. You suck.
It should be amazing if he did not have double max C. It'll be like amazing.
I know I'd be doing good, but nope. You gotta have double max C.
I have to.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's double or nothing. Have you never heard that phrase before?
I got you. Should have gone magician. I misplayed. Actually.
What's your target?
That's indeed nice.
Yep.
Just look at that body. Oh yeah, got that song out of the way. I wanted that gone.
How many cards in your hand?
Whoa, 6 right now.
Alright, 6 to go. 6 to go.
You can do it.
That's right.
Believe in you.
I'm glad you believe in me. Because
You gotta. When you're playing somebody, it's your opponent, you gotta be like, you know what, you could do it. You can win.
Next game. you can win the next guy you play.
yeah, I'm not even gonna play that time. Let's go to the next game.
Cool.
That max C was too much.
Alright, side.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll see you guys in game 2.